Warm, cozy, and absolutely delicious. Let's make slow cooker chicken and dumplings. Add chicken breasts, carrots, celery, onions, garlic, chicken broth, and seasoning into your slow cooker. Cover and cook on low for 6 hours. The chicken becomes tender and the flavor deepens beautifully. Shred the chicken, add biscuit dough pieces or homemade dumplings, and let them cook until soft and fluffy. Stir everything gently creamy, comforting perfection in every bite. Serve warm and enjoy this classic comfort dish made easy in your slow cooker. Warm, hearty, and full of flavor, this slow cooker beef stew is the ultimate comfort meal for chilly days. Start by browning your beef to lock in that rich, savory flavor. Add carrots, potatoes, onions, and celery, the perfect hearty mix. Pour in beef broth, a touch of tomato paste, garlic, and herbs for that deep, home-cooked taste. Let it slow cook for 6 to 8 hours until the beef is tender and the flavors melt together beautifully. Serve it warm and enjoy a cozy bowl of slow cooker beef stew that tastes like home. Simple. Delicious. Comfort in every bite. Looking for a fun twist on taco night? Try these irresistible taco stuffed poblano peppers. Start by slicing your poblano peppers in half and removing the seeds. These are your taco shells, but way better. Brown some ground beef in a skillet, then season it with taco seasoning for that bold Mexican flavor. Mix in black beans, corn, and shredded cheese for a hearty, colorful filling. Spoon the filling into each pepper half, make them nice and full. Bake at 375 degrees for about 15 minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbling. Top with sour cream, salsa, and fresh cilantro, and dig into the ultimate taco stuffed treat. Taco stuffed poblano peppers, a smoky, cheesy twist on taco night. Follow for more tasty recipes. Craving something sweet, savory, and totally comforting? Let's make the ultimate brown sugar meatloaf, juicy on the inside, caramelized and golden on the outside. Start by mixing ground beef, breadcrumbs, milk, eggs, onions, and your favorite seasonings. This blend keeps your meatloaf tender and full of flavor. Now for the magic touch of brown sugar and ketchup glaze. Spread it over the top before baking. As it cooks, the sugar caramelizes, creating a sweet, sticky crust that's absolutely irresistible. Bake until perfectly golden and let it rest before slicing. Each bite is juicy, flavorful, and wrapped in that brown sugar glaze you'll fall in love with. Serve it with mashed potatoes or veggies and enjoy pure comfort on a plate. Don't forget to save and share this recipe. Here's how to make the perfect roasted chicken every single time. Start with a whole chicken patted dry, then coat it in olive oil or melted butter. Season generously with salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and your favorite herbs. Roast at 425 degrees for about 1 hour until golden brown and perfectly crispy. Let it rest for 10 minutes, then carve and enjoy that juicy perfection. Simple. Delicious. Perfect every time. Start your morning right with the fluffiest pancakes ever. In a bowl, whisk together flour, sugar, baking powder, milk, and eggs until smooth and creamy. Pour the batter onto a hot skillet. When bubbles appear, it's time to flip. Golden, fluffy, and light, each pancake is pure perfection. Stack them high and drizzle with warm maple syrup for that ultimate breakfast moment. Soft, airy, and melt-in-your-mouth delicious, you'll want these every morning. Fluffy pancakes, because mornings deserve a little magic. Warm, rich, and comforting, this is classic goulash, a dish that brings everyone to the table. Start by browning ground beef with onions and garlic until perfectly golden and fragrant. Add tomato sauce, diced tomatoes, and a blend of paprika, salt, and pepper, the heart of this traditional recipe. Mix in cooked elbow macaroni for that signature goulash texture, hearty, filling, and full of flavor. Let it all simmer together so the flavors blend into pure comfort in a bowl. Serve it hot, sprinkle with cheese or fresh parsley, and enjoy a cozy homemade classic. Classic goulash. Simple, satisfying, and always delicious. Craving something warm, creamy, and comforting? Let's make the ultimate tuna casserole simple, hearty, and oh so delicious. Start by cooking your favorite pasta until tender. In a large bowl, mix canned tuna, cream of mushroom soup, peas, shredded cheese, and a dash of black pepper. Combine everything with the cooked pasta. Make sure every piece is coated in that creamy goodness. Pour the mixture into a baking dish, top with more cheese and crispy breadcrumbs. Bake at 375 to 190 degrees for about 20 minutes until bubbly and golden. Serve warm and enjoy this creamy, cheesy comfort classic. Follow for more quick and delicious recipes.